Get ready now. Lie on your back, bend your knees keeping your feet on the floor, and raise your arms over your head, then open them sideways and bring them to your side. 30 seconds. Lie face down, bend your elbows, and place your hands right next to your shoulders, then raise your upper body by straightening your elbows. 30 seconds. It's almost done. Wait while standing. For both sides. Extend your arms in front, bend your one wrist, fingers pointing the floor, and gently pull your fingers backwards with the other hand. 60 seconds. Switch the sides. It's almost done. Wait while standing. For both sides. Extend your arms forward, bend one wrist, palms facing out, fingers pointing the floor. Gently pull your fingers backwards with the other hand. 60 seconds. Switch the sides. It's almost done. Hold a weight in each hand. Wait while standing. Hold a dumbbell in each hand and lift the dumbbells to the opposite shoulder alternately by bending your elbows and keeping your upper arm still. 30 seconds. It's almost done. Hold a weight in each hand. Wait while standing. Stand upright. Hold a dumbbell in each hand. Curl the dumbbells at shoulder level, keeping your upper arm stationary. 30 seconds. It's almost done.